What are you going to do, George? Where's the stones? Wait there. What else is the other one?
Up there, do you?
I don't know, I must have dropped it, so pick the other one up. Pick the actual rock up.
There.
Wait there, I need to get another rock, just in case that'll miss, because I'm not going anywhere near it once the stone on it.
There.
Wait there. Where is the other
Yeah,
rock?
if you want.
Wait there. Oh, fuck it. Whoa!
Wait!
Doesn't matter, just get it.
Chuck Lawrence. Oh, damn! What's it on? Nice socks, I guess.
Oh, you got your socks tucked in.
Oh, have a little one there. What's it on?
How do I zoom in? With that?
Press the zoom in button.
Oh, yeah, it's just... Oh yeah, I got it.
It's not going to, you need more pressure because there's less water.
Big grey socks.
What do you reckon?
Mm-hmm.
Because if you think about it, it's like a smaller bottle now. Like a bigger bottle than it was before. I think the water takes up, like, makes it like a smaller bottle or a bigger bottle.
Smaller bottle needs more air.
It's hard, isn't it, George?
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
Tom!
Lawrence, you need to move.
Is that up?
George Lawrence, move. Lawrence. Come in the way. Stand up. Oh. Ready, George? What's it on? Go,
Oh, no,
move.
Oh, I missed it.
Wait. Ready?
Oh, you've got it anyway.
Watch out, Lawrence, move. Lawrence, you're going to have to move. Like loads.
Oh! Oh!
Oh,
Crap.
I got another one there.
Someone has farted.
It's like 119. 115.
Alright, I might get this one. Watch out.
Oh!
Dang, very too hard.
I know I'm trying to hit it, because that was only a little thing. Pass all of them. Get all of them, George. Don't get that other one that's touching it. There's another one over there.
Hang on, wait. Ready? Go. Oh.
I'll get that
You hit.
on the right of it, don't get the one ahead of it. What's you there, dude? Get both of them and then we'll both... Get the other one.
Where's the other one gone?
Straight ahead. Meet ahead. No, face... Yeah, that, left. Pass me,
George the hard nut.
pass me one.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Watch out.
It's not going to work. No.
It's gone down loads pressure.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!